Now there might be a chance in here. Breakaway opportunity. Sierra Leone. Great save, Sangare. What an excellent save to deny Toure. It's likely that both sides would have qualified by then, but still a little chance for a marker. Now Sierra Leone with a magnificent equaliser. It was going with some power anyway. Excellent strike. No chance for Sangare. Now Haller again in on goal. Haller continues. Lays it inside. That's a bit of a poor pass, but an excellent finish. An excellent finish. Thought the initial pass to him was a little shallow, but he managed to get great power on it. Curl as well. Oh, little slip from Sangare. Equaliser. Kamara playing that header out. Excuse me, Kamara, Alhaji Kamara, almost slipped. Aurier comes out, his defence get there ahead of him. Referee says that's it. Last chance for Sierra Leone is gone, but they've got a wonderful point here.